I'm Alessandro Cicoira. I come from the Dolomites in South Tyrol, Italy. And my background is in environmental engineering with a specialization in river engineering and avalanche dynamics. In the past 5 years, I have written my dissertation on rock glacier dynamics and the periglacial environment. So my skills, my strengths lay between numerical modeling and fieldwork. And for the project in Central Asia, I will contribute by bridging the two components of natural hazard assessment and the co-development of early warning systems. Well, we will assess what the hazardous lakes are for glacial lake outburst floods, and then we will model what the risks are for the populations downstreams. So we will use computer numerical models to assess a lake given certain scenarios, how dangerous this is for the population, the infrastructures, and the villages in the valleys. It's very important to consider each lake on its own to see what the peculiarities are. As the valleys and the local conditions can differ highly, it's very important also to take these into account when doing a hazard or a risk map. Yeah, the fieldwork is necessary for inspection of the sites, for determining also the types of hazards that we are actually modeling later. And of course we will need a series of data, but this then depends on the availability and the local characteristics. The models need as an input the information on the topography, so they need to know how the terrain is, where it is steep, where it has turns in the valleys. And this is the most important information. Without this, you cannot do it. Then after, as we said, we need scenarios. So we need to know what are the volumes in play. How large is the lake? And is it all gonna drain? Is it only one part, for example? So how much water are we talking about? And then we need the physical, mechanical characteristics in the valley. So for example, what is the substrate? Is it bedrock everywhere? Is there forest, vegetation? Is it only debris? Will it develop in a debris flow? And those are then all variables that will make the model change